Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I haven't uploaded in a long time, so sorry. But I've got a surprise for you. Fortnite Advent Calendars. I'm already opening it, because my little nutcracker needs a friend. Needs 23 more friends. So I've already opened up the first one. It had the nutcracker guy in it, so let's close that. Now let's open the second one. Okay. I'll put the advent calendar right here so you guys can see me. I know you guys want to see what I get, but we'll see how this thing works, but I can't do that, okay. I'm gonna blind bag. Cutting blind bag. Okay. What do we have now? We have a little space guy. What? Put these guys. I'm just opening all these already.
What are you doing? Video?
Yeah, I'm doing a video.
So where?
Say
this
hello
is
to
what
my...
you're supposed to put them in?
Yes.
This box?
Yeah, that's what they put them in. So.
Oh my gosh.
And I'm gonna get 22 more of these.
Don't take them out.
Why?
No, you're leaving them in there until December 1st.
Why?
That's what you're supposed to do.
No, I don't want to.
Yes.
No. No, but I need this for the views.
Are you recording?
Yes, I'm recording. Yes, I'm recording. So go. Annoying dad on set. Go. Go play your video game.
I can't.
Yeah, you
Your
can.
mom gets back.
No, just do it.
No, I'm gonna watch the game.
Watch what game? Oh my gosh. Why are you so addicted to that game? Ow. Okay, we got our third blind bag. Our third blind bag is, I think you guys probably know about the skin. The OG gingerbread. You guys have barely any arms. So far, we have these three guys. Focus. All three of them. And we still got an entire advent calendar. Open number 4. Pop eye socket out. Okay. Here's how we pop the eye sockets out. Okay. Open the door. Okay. Now, just throw that back there. Okay. We got... Oh. Wait, what? There's something underneath. Okay, I think we got... Alright, let's see. Okay, we got this guy. I don't know him. He looks like a Statue of Liberty. So, alright, let's pop the next eye socket out. Pop the next eye socket out. Now, pull it out. Okay, one just fell on the floor. I'll put that back there. Okay, we got a reindeer skin. Most of these are Christmas. My mom's gonna be so mad at me. I'm just unboxing these. I don't really care. I'm gonna forget about these in December anyway. I'm gonna put these back, and I'm gonna put these back after I'm done. So we just got a reindeer girl. Okay, I'll place all 5 of them over here. It's randomized on what you get, so you do not know what you get. Okay, number 6. Pull out the 6th eye socket. Okay, I heard there's a legendary Peely. Oh, I think we just found it. Look at this. I got it. Look at this. Peely! I finally got Peely. Let's go. Okay, so we finished the entire first row of the 6 days. I'm going to be putting these back, so do not tell me these at school. Okay. Now let's move on. 7th. I'm supposed to open this in December 7th, but it's currently November 9th, so pieces. 24 pieces. Okay. Not that bad. Okay then. Fix. Fix. And oh, we got it. Did we just get Mrs. Claus? I think we just got Mrs. Claus. Mrs. Claus, the Fortnite skin. Right here. So, okay, so that's lucky number 7. Poke. Eye socket. Open. Okay. I'm murdering these. Okay. I think we got another Christmas skin. Another jolly Christmas skin there. Okay. And hello to this guy. Black man. Poke. And Pooh. Huh? What? Why is there nothing in 9? There's nothing in 9. What? I didn't just open 9. I just opened 8. What? Where is 9? Did I pull it out of 3? Wait, I need to check 15 later. Because there's probably 2 in 15. Oh, 10's packed. 10's packed. 10's got something in there. 10's got something that I can't even pull it out. I can't even pull it. Oh! I think I found where number 9 was. I think I did. I found where number 9 was. I did. I found it. Okay, let's open. I'm going to show you 9 and 10. That's right, I unboxed. There's the second one and the 10th one are both space related or racing. So here's number 10. Here's number 9. Oh, there's number 10 and here's number 9. Seen them. Here's my first 10. We got little Peely here. Peely. We got Peely right here. Because he's dead. So he's dead. Yeah. Nobody stands up except for this girl. Oof. Okay, next one. I think 11 may be stuck. No, it's not. Is there 2 and 11? Is there 2 and 11? No, there's just 1. Oh, my favorite skin. I'm pretty sure that this is my favorite. You'll see. Oh gosh. It is the Lynx. Nice. We got Lynx finally. You probably not know who Lynx is. Okay. Oh gosh. Who's ready? We have Laserbeam's favorite skin. Baby Gingy. So we've got our first 12. And the 12th day of Christmas in the Fortnite family. Okay, enough. Poke. Got number 13. Pull number 13 out. Cool. The door open. Oh, we got it. Let's go. We got it. Let's go. We got my cousin's second favorite skin. They're Burger PJs. Okay, so we got 13, a baker's dozen. And we're gonna try to pop 2 out at the same time. 1. No, I popped both out! I heard something. I saw something big in 15. I knew something was going on in 15. Oh, I see. Some 2 good ones. We're gonna keep these open. Number 9's just still on there. Means we get 2 more blind bags. So I know that I don't have this one in person, but I have a different version of it. Have you guys ever played the Getaway in Fortnite? It was a season 5 and season 10 OG thing. Hopefully they'll do it in season 15. I want them to do it. Guys, check it out. I got this guy and this guy. I got the ace. Not the wild card. Hopefully the ace is. Still, we haven't found Mr. Fishman, which I really want to find Mr. Fishman. What? Oh, that was dishwasher. I thought it was like something else. That was just dishwasher. Oh. I do not have the skin, but I have a different version of it. I have another similar skin. It's this guy. Someone gifted me the black for some reason. 17. Mr. Fishman? No, it's not Mr. Fishman because I saw an eye on it. Who is this? Oh! It's the boy reindeer. He's not on here. Oh yeah, he is. I see him. The other girl is brown. Well, he's just a normal tan guy. He's just a normal white guy. Not racist though. Boom. Okay, let's pop 18. Oh gosh. Oh, I found it. The most legendary most legendary one. It's on there, but it says ultra rare beside it. And it is the fish. So, we got 6 more. So, let's just pop all 6. Pop all 6. And then we're going to open them up. In 19, we have the Bart Gingerbread Man. I'm going to cut his plastic out. You want to see him? Well, he looks like this, but except he's happier and he's burnt. And now, let's open 20. Oh, I think I see a skin that I have finally. One of the fewest skins that I actually own. I own the Nutcracker skin, I own Peely, I own Lynx, I own the Durburger PJs. So, you guys want to show me? You want me to show you? Well then, here you go. What do you guys want it for? No, you guys are not coming in until I'm done with this video. Okay. Number 21. Okay. Pull out. We got 4 more characters that we haven't received. And one of them is Calamity. One looks like Calamity that we just got. Okay, if you guys don't think that this looks like Calamity, if you do think it is, if you do think it looks like Calamity, hit the like button. I'm begging you to hit that like button. Okay. After 21, got all these guys from Gerberger to Peely to Mr. Fish. I'm putting all the skins that I have up here. So hold on, let me just hold it up. Oh gosh, this guy fell. Oh no, now the Nutcracker fell. And then he fell again. Mr. Fish, don't fall. Actually, I don't have that guy. Sorry, I forgot it in. And one last one. Actually, this guy I also have, and I got one more, I'm pretty sure. Which one is it? It's right here. So here are all the ones that I've got so far. Okay, now let's keep opening. 22. You haven't opened the monster guy yet. Oh, and we just got him. Just got him.
What?
What? What?
I feel like your dad and I should have opened that.
What?
He's having to put all of them in the days. We should have opened it. Because they weren't in the days, Rick. So now he knows everything that's there.
Yeah, but I'm probably going to forget
I
it.
told him after he got the first two, I said, stop, don't do it.
Not what?
I told him to stop.
I'm probably going to forget it anyway.
MJ, what's my name? Random Face what? 2568?
Yes, I chose that. When you chose my name, I chose yours. Ah, everybody's falling.
That shouldn't even have been messed with until December anyway.
I'm just unboxing all of them. Okay, we got PJ. And there's only one left. And it is... Oh, I think we just found Lachlan. I think I just found Lachlan.
What are you doing with all the plastic
Your
bags?
ability to walk in his house and just sit.
Throw these away.
He said, leave me alone.
I did?
Yeah.
And then last guy.
Where's the calendar thing?
Calendar is down here.
Stop.
And get...
Fuck! No!
Okay. That's what I'm gonna... Okay. Molly, here's what I'm
He's
gonna do.
recording his YouTube video.
Guys, hope you enjoy. See you guys later. Bye.
No.